people, so there is this Dimple Kapadia film called What the Fish, which is released on Netflix, and it is such a cute film. Yeah, you all should watch it because it's like Dimple Kapadia plays the role of this very cranky, I think spinster lady, or she's living by herself, and then she decides to no, she's actually going to visit her son. So, but whatever, she's this lady who lives by herself, and so she decides to leave her house because she has goldfish and plants. So some person needs to her niece has to come and stay there. Now this niece gets the house keys and she passes it on to her boyfriend, I think. Yeah. And that guy holds a party there in that house. So it is such a comedy of errors. Yeah. And Dimple Kapadia in particular, here the Indian film industry is lucky to have her as a she's one of the most gifted performers I've seen. Like she can pull off any role, yeah, right from comedy to tragedy to anything. So really, people, even the title is so funny. What the fish, and it's it'll make you laugh for sure. So try and catch it, people. It's on Netflix. It's called What the Fish. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. See, I'm very particular. My video should not be more than 1 minute long, so that's fine. 1 minute 30 seconds. So thanks for watching, people.